everyone, and hope you're well, and welcome to today's video. So I'm feeling extra festive and I thought I would take you around a little house tour, my Christmas house tour basically. I haven't decorated the whole house, but I'm just going to show you my tree and little bits and pieces that I've put up and how we've decorated this year. So carry on watching, I hope you enjoy it. And those of you who like a sweet treat, you know I've got something for you. You know I've got you covered. See you later. So let's start with the hall. So as soon as you come in through the front door. So this is my hallway table. I think we got that from West Elm. And I just have my little fake tree with snow, my little rabbit, and I've got some, these aren't real candles, these are battery operated, they're brilliant. You just light them, keep them lit up like that with a bit of tinsel. Got my poinsettia, traditional Christmas plant. I think it needs a water. So this is downstairs in the hallway. Now we're going to go upstairs to the piece de resistance. Oh, I've got this little these little sticks that are lit up as well. Radiator cover, which I got from Home Base, and I've just put a wreath all across the top like this. Got my little tea lights, got my little gingerbread man for St. Nicholas Day today. Who knows about St. Nicholas Day? Schmutzli. All the little children get, if they're good, they get nuts and oranges, and if they're naughty, Schmutzli comes and beats them with a broom and gives them a bit of coal, as the saying goes. Oh, this is just a hurricane glass with some pine cones in. Just gives it that rustic feel. I love these little deers. I got these in Laura Ashley last year. Again, I just popped some pine cones just in intermittently through this wreath. You can just twist it around. And these are just some little glass globes. I've got my marzipan St. Nicholas here, and I've got a little light up tree. I love this, it's so pretty, you know. Then I've got my advent calendar, like, you know, got to have an advent calendar. Open up all the days till Christmas, so love that. So that's the, yeah, that's just that piece there, nice, rather pretty. And then our stockings, do you like my little mouse? Hello! We've got our stockings on a little ladder here. This is supposed to be me. That's just hanging on there, there are our stockings. And then down here, I've got my little Christmas bear. How sweet is he? I'm going to take you over to the coffee table, which is a trunk. I love this trunk. And I've got my little centerpiece here. I think I'll show this on Instagram, but haven't lit it up. I thought I'd light it up for you. How lovely is that? It's just, again, this is all sort of plasticky, just not real, but it looks real, which is lovely. And then it's just got the little tea lights and a nice little candle in the middle, and I absolutely love that. It's just another festive piece. And then over on our trees, we have just some little fairy lights going around. Here, you must have seen this on, then here you've seen this on my Instagram stories. This is my little Christmas bouquet. It's got some Oh, I can't even think what that's called now. For goodness sake, what is it called? Anyway, it's got Christmas bits in eucalyptus, that's what it's called. It's got some berries, it's got a stick of cinnamon, it's got some Christmas tree. It's a whole bunch that I've put in my little jar here. Very wonderful. Back to the tree, and I'm just going to show you what I'm burning in my little burner here. This is one of the Yankee candles, the cinnamon apple spice. Really, really nice. Love that. Now, it wouldn't be a festive showing. Oh, do you like my jumper? Hi. If I didn't show you some treats, because, like, you know, it's Christmas, we eat, it's treats, it's the time. And Waitrose always does the most wonderful treats. So we've got these Heston mince pies. These are the chocolate sour cherry crumble mince pies with Heston's cherry vodka. And as you can see, there's not many left in there. There's two little, these are, if you are not a traditional mince pie eater, then you will love these because they're chocolate. And they've got like a black cherry inside. And they just look like this. Ooh, isn't that gorge? And it's got like, yeah, black cherry and vodka in there. Delicious. And then another, Waitrose has got a lot of treats at the moment. So the next one I've got they're the cranberry and orange tiffins. And these are like little brownies. If you like orange, they're like little brownies, but they've got like cranberry, they've got like almond in there, and they're just like these little bites, you see. Just cute little bites like that. So there's some of my Christmas treats that I've got, you know. You've got to have some treats, don't you? And yeah, so that's my Christmas house tour. That's all the places that I've decorated. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you think it's nice and you like how I've decorated it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.